जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 4th चैप्टर ज्ञानयोगम 26th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma says that, "O Arjuna, having a knowledge that you are different from the body, this is Atma Jnanam." So while having this Atma Jnanam running in their mind, some of the yogis, what they do is they suspend, they stop their senses approaching objects. So they stop their senses. Is that possible? Can you stop your eye from looking at the objects? No. But they do that. How? They will not look at the bad objects. They will stop their eye from looking at the bad objects. Like that, they will try to bring all their sensory organs under their control, and they will completely stop approaching bad objects. This is one kind of yajnam some yogis, some karma yogis perform. And there are some other kind of karma yogis, they do different way of yajnam. How? They will let their senses approach the objects. They won't stop. But they will make sure that none of their senses are reaping any kind of joy out of coming in touch with any object. They will be experiencing objects with their senses, but they don't carry any kind of interest in that. They lose interest. With that kind of approach, with that kind of experience, they will try to bring their sensory organs under their control. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma explaining how different ways karma yogis perform their yajnas, having an understanding that Atma is different from Shariram. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, let us also try to practice having the understanding that we are different from our body. And also let us try to practice in bringing our sensory organs under our control. Let us now repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Shrotradini indriyanyanye संयमाग्निषु जुह्वति शब्दादीन् विषयानन्ये इन्द्रियाग्निषु जुह्वति। ओम। As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. keep on sharing my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on sharing your teachings among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing the divine avatarams of Paramatma to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, Sriman Narayana born as a son with the name Suyajna to the couple Ruchi and Akuti. Ruchi is a Prajapati. O Narada, that Suyajna married with Dakshina, and they are blessed with 12 Devatas. Those Devatas are known as Yama Devatas. Those Yama Devatas have some cravings. Not only that, Lokatrayasya Mahatim, Urdhva Lokas, the upper worlds, downward worlds, and all these lokas also have some cravings. So, Aharat Yadartim, in order to remove that cravings, Paramatma himself came down and removed that arti. That is how he became Harihi iti anuktaha. He got that name Hari. Swayambhuva Manu, he addressed Paramatma as Hari because he removed arti of those 12 devatas and all the worlds. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Paramatma's divine avatarams to Narada Maharshi. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. पृथ्वीरेणुरनुः पयांसि कनिकाः फल्गुस्फुलिङ्गो लघुः तेजो निःश्वसनं मरुत्तनुतरं रन्ध्रं सुसूक्ष्मं नभः क्षुद्रा रुद्रपितामहप्रभृतयः कीटाः समस्ताः सुराः दृष्टे यत्र स तावको विजयते भूमावधूतावधिः कृष्णो रक्षतु नो जगत्त्रयगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहं कृष्णे नामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 4th chapter 26th श्लोक श्रोत्रादीनि इन्द्रियाण्यन्ये संयमाग्निषु जुह्वति शब्दादीन् विषयानन्ये इन्द्रियाग्निषु जुह्वति। श्रोत्रादीनीन्द्रियाण्यन्ये संयमाग्निषु जुह्वति शब्दादीन् विषयानन्ये इन्द्रियाग्निषु जुह्वति। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।